you guys enjoying Jujutsu Kaisen? I sure am. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about Jujutsu Kaisen. We will take a look and find out can Jujutsu Kaisen turn out to be next Demon Slayer. That if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as I upload anime videos just like this. With that out of the way, let's get to the review, shall we?
来る気なかったんだけどさ。いやー、ボロボロだね。2年のみんなに見せやーった。うちで。
ごめんそれ。俺食べちゃった。
マジ？
First, let's talk about a little bit of the background for the series for the people who are new to the series and just tuning in. So Jujutsu Kaisen is your typical shonen anime in which monsters like curses exist. To fight these curses, powerful humans known as Jujutsu sorcerers exist. One day, Yuji Itadori finds a dried up finger of a curse known as Sukuna Ryumen. One day, a curse attacks Yuji when he was in his school, and to protect himself and his friends, he eats that finger of Sukuna. In the process, he gains the power to combat curses, and also, Sukuna tries to possess Yuji's body but was unsuccessful for some reason. Now Sukuna resides in Yuji's body. Because of this, some higher up Jujutsu sorcerer decides that they have to get rid of him. Yuji meets Satoru Gojo, who teaches him an alternative way. He has to become a vessel for Sukuna, consume many other remains of Sukuna's. Because when he dies, the Sukuna will die with him too. Because of his grandfather's dying wish, who told him to help and protect the weak, he decides to take the role on.
バカが。それならここで死ね。ほら頑張れ頑張れ。
Anime is pretty dark with lots of gore and psychological elements attached to it. The interactions between Yuji and the Sukuna are fun to see, as whenever Yuji is in trouble, Sukuna helps him in one way or another, even if he wants to or not wants to. More you know about Sukuna, the more you will understand just how cruel and cold-hearted he really is. He also shows that the Sukuna which Yuji has is the most powerful curse out there. Animation for the anime is by far the most well done after Demon Slayer. Well, excluding Attack on Titan, that is. Action sequences makes you feel every impact as they are just that well animated. Music in the anime is amazing too, with a great opening and a closing. And the music in between action sequences is just straight out gold.
かっこつけさせてもらうよ。
だからどうという話でもないか。
7。
Anime has a great world building with a rich story and with everything explained clearly. It's like the first episode of Demon Slayer, we were hooked on it. Jujutsu Kaisen makes you hooked on it just after watching the first episode of the series. I haven't read the manga of this series yet, so I can't talk about much of that. I will be reading it just after the anime finishes. And I will be reviewing the manga here too, so just look out for that too. Let's talk about action and combat of the series. Action sequences in the anime are amazingly animated and are well executed. Most of the action sequences are hand-to-hand combats and fights. Because of the amazing animation, every frame makes you feel the impact. I think we haven't seen action sequences this well done in a while.
本当だ、混じってるよ。ウケる。じゃ、10秒だ。10秒経ったら戻っておいで。大丈夫。僕最強だから。後ろ！菊服は他のお土産とは
The anime has a good amount of comedy too if you are looking for that. Jokes are good and the execution of the dialogues are well. And yes, they do make you laugh. Because of all this, for me Jujutsu Kaisen had turned into a second Demon Slayer. And I know there is just no comparison between the two, but I just haven't seen a shonen anime that well animated and good since Demon Slayer. Well, of course, not counting Attack on Titan. Anime has everything. It will make you laugh, it will make you a little sad, and it will make you excited. Voice acting for the characters is amazing, which makes every character's personality unique and stand out.
嘘のスケジュールを伝えてあるからね。伊地知を脅して。
やっべえ、生五条悟だ。
こっちも長話する気はないよ。
しゃべっちった
牙を剥くのが僕だけだと思ってんなら痛い目見るよ、おじいちゃん。ああ、野外学長は2時間くらいで来るよ。じゃあねー。
追いつけたら一緒に写真撮ってもらおう。
Character that shines the most after Yuji is Satoru Gojo. His character is so damn likable. After finding out more about him and his powers, I always found myself anticipating seeing him in combat, though we don't get to see much of him in combat. But however much we do, it's amazing. In conclusion, if you are looking for a shonen anime with over-the-top animation, with a likable cast of characters, and a story which is satisfyingly good, then you must watch this anime, because missing out on this will be a pretty big mistake. I give Jujutsu Kaisen a 10 out of 10 and will highly recommend you guys to watch this if you aren't already. And that concludes my review for Jujutsu Kaisen, and yes, for me it is next Demon Slayer. And with that, if you enjoyed my review, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I will be uploading more anime reviews just like this. You can follow me on Instagram, there I upload every anime and manga news. The link will be in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.
I look pale as a ghost to all those opposed. I'm coming here to show how to live life right.